So what is up guys, welcome back to another video, and today finally arrived is a special product from Apple, Airtags, and I ordered 4 set of Airtags and coming along with a keychain. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing and give you guys a first reaction how I feel about the products. I'm a big Apple fan, so cannot wait to see it. Let's check it out. Go. I love how Apple used this way to just protect it and shipping the item. It's super smart. And here's one item here. Airtag and the keychain. So here you go. Let's first unbox the Airtag. Should be a pull tab here. Wow. Wow, let's go, Airtag, a pack of 4, wow! I did not engrave anything on it, so it's gonna be just like pure white cover. Alright, let's open one first. Where's my phone? This, ladies and gentlemen, is the new Apple Airtag. Interestingly, they have removable battery, so, ooh. And I cannot wait to see the moment. Wow, magical. Wow. It looks like a little mirror. You can actually see yourself very clearly. A little bit distorted since it's not completely flat. Alright, connect with iCloud. And here you go. It's set up. Wow, so nice. Now let's open this. Ooh, it's actually a Panasonic battery inside, and you just take it out. Wow, very interesting. This piece is completely like pretty hollow plastic, but nonetheless it feels like the same plastic they used for the AirPods. It's pretty good plastic. And let's put it back. So this part is actually conductive material, is the positive side, and they have like three slots that you can slide in. So you have to do a little bit push. Once it's a little bit pushed, it's connected to a positive side and it's a full circuit. So kind of that's how I guess the engineering works. Additionally, we still have the leather keychain. Let's just peel it up, a pull tab. Open it up. Wow, beautiful. Wow, let's go. I already have some leather product from Apple, and every time it gets dirty a little bit, but nonetheless it's really durable material, waterproof and dustproof. Just get dirty over time. I hope this one will not, since I get like a darker color. And let's slide the Airtag in. And there's a little knuckle. You just press it, and wow, here you go. It fits perfectly here. I think it doesn't matter which side you put on. It just like, yeah, it kind of just go along with this. Wow, really nicely designed actually. Remember the Apple commercial? It's like this. Ooh, pretty dope. Alright, let's check it out. My backpack. It's right next to me. Beautiful. And yeah, thank you again guys for watching. If you like the video, consider subscribe. If you want to see a more in-depth review, make sure you smash that thumbs up, so I'll do a little bit of how this little thing performs and in a real life scenario. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.